now we are going to start the fourth lesson of second class. So, what is the name of the lesson? Food we eat. In our daily life, we all need food. That one is our first basic requirement. Is it? Without food, we can't live, we can't stay, we can't survive. So, we all need food. So, whenever any living things be there, that means we need the food. Whatever it may be the plants, it may be the animals, it may be the human beings, all of we need food. Food is very important, but after having food, what we are doing actually? With the food, we are getting the energy. Yes, and this energy we are utilizing in different work. It is being utilized to play, to run, for reading, for eating, for cooking, whatever may be the work we are doing. For all the work we need energy, and who is providing the energy? The food. That's why food is very important. Now see here, what foods you love to eat? Do you like these foods? So these two, what is this one? These are the rasgullas. Yes, and what about this one? These are the what? The biryani. Yes, biryani. So which food do you love? So you have to tell to your mother or to your friend or to your teacher, and you have to know their loving food also. In this way you can know about each other. And the thing is there, we need food to live. Without food we can't live, because food is our basic requirement of living. And the thing is there, without food we can't grow even, and we don't get the energy. And with the help of energy we are doing the work, we are playing, we are different thing. Even if you want to think something, that one also required energy. Without energy it is not possible. So surrounding us different kind of foods are available, is it? So which food do you love? I asked you, you have to convey this message to your friend also. And the thing is there, that always try to eat the homemade food to be more, because these are more healthy. If you will consume the homemade food, that one is the good for our health. That one is the healthy. And the thing is there, the junk food, always try to avoid the junk food. Is it? Because the junk food, that one is not that much healthy, and so that you can grow healthy. So what thing you have to do? You have to consume the homemade food, and you have to avoid the junk food. Yes, in this way you can be healthy. And one more thing is there, why you should avoid the junk food? Because the nutrients are not that much present there. That's why you should not eat daily, you should not consume the junk food more. It may tasty, but the nutrition is not there that much. The nutritive value is less. That's why. And in this way, so first we would like to tell about the why do we need food. I have told you already that we need food for getting energy. Our body needs energy to do different work, and we need energy for playing, studying, and even for sleeping we need energy, is it? And where do we get this energy from? From food. Food is only providing the energy and to all our activities. Food is helping us to do all of our activity. All living things, they eat food. All living things being, they have to eat, otherwise they can't survive. The food is used to carry out different functions of our body. We cannot cannot live without food. In the last lesson only we have learned about different body parts, is it? So how they are working, whenever we are sleeping also they are working. So to keep them as it is, to do their work, to keep them workable, we need energy, and our food is providing us the energy. And the thing is there, how many kind of foods are available? So the types of food. So there is mainly three kind of food are available. Based on the nutrition value, we classified the food into three main categories. One is energy giving food, next is body building food, and the last one is the protective food. Is it? So these all kind of foods are available. Now the question is there, why they are energy giving, why they are body building, why they are protective food. Is it? So now have a look here, the potato, all of you are able to see that one is potato, rice, wheat, these are the butter, is it? And this one is the ghee, and this one is the oil. The food items which give us energy are called energy giving food. For example, rice, wheat, potato, they all are giving us the energy. And the sugar is another food that gives us energy, and foods like butter, ghee and oil contain fat. Yes, they contain fats. This also provide us energy. Actually, the all kind of foods, if you consider them, they whatever you have to see, the energy giving food, that means the potato, rice, most of the cereals, they are providing us the energy. Actually the carbohydrate, yes, the carbohydrate. So which foods are providing us carbohydrate? They all are giving us the energy. With the help of carbohydrate, we are getting the energy. And one thing is there, if you will chew the any kind of cereals, as example the rice, if you will chew the rice, on that time you can understand, after chewing it for few times you will get the sweet taste, is it? So how it is, why it is? Because of that reason. Because of what? Because the smallest particle, whatever is the smallest particle inside your mouth has, that means that the food particle, if you will crunch it, if you will divide it, if you will break it, on that time it is turning into the what thing? It is turning into the glucose. And you know that the glucose, how it tastes, that one is the sweet. Is it? It is the sweetest. So this one, each carbohydrate particle, the smallest particle of the carbohydrate, it is dividing. When it is dividing, that one is the glucose. And the thing is there, to know one thing, that the plants, they are able to produce their food. We are not able to produce the food. Now, you can ask me, no, we are able to produce food because daily my mother, she is cooking, she is preparing the food for our family, is it? But that one, from where you are getting the vegetables, that one is coming also from the plant. So actually, what is going on? The plants are able to form the food. The human being, not the animals. No one of us are able to produce food, are able to synthesize food, and that's why the plants are very important to us. Without plant, we can't live. We won't have the food because we are totally dependent on the plant because of the food, because the fruit, the vegetables, the cereals, the pulses, this all we are getting from whom? From the plants, different kind of plants we are getting them. So these are the very helpful for us. Whom? The plants, our greeny friend, is it? So the energy giving food, that energy giving food means they are all contain carbohydrate, is it? Next, I would like to talk about the bodybuilding food. Yes, if you will consume those kind of food, then our body will build up and it will be strong enough. So, which foods? The food that help our body to grow and strong. That means grow taller and strong are called the bodybuilding food. For example, what food? That means the milk, curd, cheese, eggs, nuts, peas, beans, soybeans, dal, fish and meat. Yes, these all are the bodybuilding food. So now you can ask me that what does they contain? Actually, all of they contain the what thing? Protein. Yes, protein. The food which contains the protein, they only has considered what? The bodybuilding food. If you will consume them, then your body will be, your bones will be strong enough, you will be taller and you will be healthy enough also. Now have a look here. This one is the picture of the milk. All of you know the milk. And the thing, this one is the fish. Is it? And the thing, one thing is there, this kind of protective, that means the bodybuilding items, food items, they are also helping us to keep our body repaired. Sometimes it happens that our body in any accident or any kind of problem, so on that time what happens, it cut, it damaged, is it? So these kind of food particles or the food items, they are helping our body to repair when we are unwell or when any of the body parts is hurt. Yes, these have this kind of property. And have a look here, all of you know about the meat. This one is the, what is this one? This one is the meat, these are the cheese and these are egg, these are the nuts. Different kind of nuts are there, they all contain what thing? Protein. Yes, that's why they are considered as the bodybuilding food items, is it? So